guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate an AI photo style, like an 80s retro look. Basically, you're just going to select your photo and you're going to add it to the timeline. Once you're done, you're just going to select AI stylize, then you're going to select the style option. Once you've done that, you're going to select AI photo, and you're either going to select 80s glam or the 70s like cowboy something. I don't know how to say that. And you're just going to select like one of them, for instance this one, and you're going to wait for it to process. It does take a few minutes to process, so be patient. Here is the first one and here is the second one. I'm just gonna go with the 3x4 maybe so you can see it a little bit better. But I'm just gonna wait for that to process, and that's pretty much it really. To export it as an image, just select the three lines here, export still frame, and name the file, and then make sure you've selected the correct folder. That is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!